My name is Val Habolovic and I'm the chair of Sister City. This project was a pilot with Agen, and it came about when former council member Jim Klein went to France with his wife Teresa. They couldn't believe that we didn't have some sort of culinary interaction, so they brought that back home and shared it. And the mayor of the city of Agen at the time said, why are we not doing this? And then took it to Lisa Polakis here at Del Mar. So it really was a huge community project. The ultimate exchange is to spread world peace by citizen-to-citizen diplomacy. And we were successful by 100%, I would say. Mazzy and Tina have left with friends of a lifetime, and I don't think the people in Agen, France will ever forget our Tina and Mazzy superstars.
My name is Tina Walsh, and I am in the baking and pastry program in the culinary department of Del Mar. Well, my husband is the reason I'm here. He was here for a Texas Restaurant Association meeting, and it was here at the new campus, and he was blown away. And he came home and immediately he handed me the pamphlet and he said, you must attend this. Within 2 months I had my GED and I got my first acceptance letter, and all these years, I'm 57, that I was going to get an opportunity to go to school. Mazzy and I, because we are in class together, we knew each other signed up. And so it didn't even matter. We were just so excited for each other. It was very structured, it was very organized. There was none to compare to the Michelin star. Their courses were so precise. The things that they gave to us, those chefs gifted us, and learning how they do things, they're life-changing skills that I'll always have with me. And so Del Mar has allowed me, to capture that dream.
I'm Mazzy Tagliaferro, and I'm in the culinary program at Del Mar. So since I was supposed to graduate this semester, I wasn't planning to apply until our baking professor strongly urged me to just retake our breads class. So it was definitely worth it to stay that other semester. Tina and I were both really nervous waiting, so whenever we found out after our personal interviews that we were both going, it was kind of a relief, and then we were obviously both super excited to go together. I think my favorite day there was the day we went to all the farms and the agricultural sites. That was our foodie day, and that was just because the people in the sister city had friends who did these things, and they cared so much about what they did and they wanted to share that with people. So I like remembering that as someone who cares about food so much as well. And then the markets, I would love to go to markets like that. As someone who was hesitant to apply, definitely do it. It was very much worth an extra semester to go to France.